Gotten to the tinder port. It's right there. We'll be getting off. Some dangerous rocks there in the water. But look at the color of the water. I mean, that's something, right? I'm guessing that's what they mean when they say turquoise waters. Finally getting off the tinder here. And that was a long, slow process. Pirates, turtles. So these are people waiting on shore excursion. We're gonna get out to the main drag here and see what's up. People selling stingray tours. Been there, done that. And now this is the main drag of Grand Cayman. We're headed that way. We're walking along the main road here in Grand Cayman. And we've decided to walk the 2 miles to 7 Mile Beach, which may sound a little confusing, but that's what it is. And I hear that 7 Mile Beach is only 5.5 miles long, so we'll see. We've walked for about 10 minutes. There's our ship over there, the Pearl. There's the other 2 ships. You see the clarity of the water? We came to another beach access and the Captain's Bakery and Grill. So we're gonna walk down here and hope it's this side of the hedge and not the other one and see where it brings us. This might be the beginning of 7 Mile Beach. And this brings us down to a beach and I'm not sure we can make that or not. There's our ship and the other 2. So we've walked from down there. You see a tinder going in. And I don't know. We're gonna find out. First obstacle, we had to kind of climb over these rocks to avoid from getting wet. Yeah. So I wouldn't use that beach access. Well, we got to a place here where you have to go in the water. Go up to the Royal Palms Beach Club and go out there somewhere. Came from way down there. And there's the ships again. Had to cross rocks. Now we've been on the beach for a while. I think we're at Margaritaville. If you look on Google Maps, you'll see this little protected harbor outside Margaritaville. Now we reach an area of super fine sand. I mean, that's super fine. You know, it was like that. Shells, coral. But now it's just smooth, smooth sand. There, our ship is behind the palm trees there. And this is the beach access now, where all these people are. And I think this might be the Royal Palms Beach Club, which isn't a hotel, it's just a place to rent a chair and sit. I'm gonna ask somebody and see. Is this the Royal Palms?
Yes, it is.
There you go. I was right. Thank you. I wonder if you think she's posing, and this guy should have used sunscreen. Should he have used sunscreen? I'm going to go in the water here. And there's a little drop here. The water is at least 80 degrees, I would say. Maybe 78 though. The air is about 78. So the water feels cold right now, but I bet it's going to feel good when I go under. You ready? Okay, let's go. Ready to go snorkeling. And my mask is fogging up, so the anti-fog didn't work very well. As you can see, there's nothing to see here. There were more rocks back down that way, the way we came. But this is not a snorkeling place. We walked up from the beach there. This is the Royal Palms Beach Club. And we turned where they have the signs out on the shore, right by the water, advertising these signs, advertising different tours and stuff, and they do hair braiding there. And so you just walk straight up there to the street and cabs and buses will stop there hopefully. We came out of there, Royal Palms Beach Club. I noticed there's no sign or anything. Across the street, look, there's another Burger King down there. It says beach access there, but it doesn't say Royal Palms Beach Club. It's next to the Seagull, and we're gonna get on a public bus, I think. So a public bus, put that in air quotes, stopped, and so we got on. I hear it's $2.50 US to ride.
Per person.
Per person. We're on a street kind of near the Tinder place. This is free Grand Cayman collectible coin at Milano Diamond Gallery. Janet's getting a hard sell in there to get her coin. We got the I Love Cayman Islands Tortuga rum cakes. So there's a Margaritaville, Georgetown, Grand Cayman. Right across from where our Tinder pier is, I have imagined. I don't know why I didn't see it this morning. I did see that church with the plumerias in front. So there's a lot to do here. I see free Wi-Fi over there and 4 Bud Lights for $15. It doesn't sound like a deal to me, but what do I know?